Hey guys, I'm Michael.
I'm Jen.
And together we are
Wildly Graceful.
We are joining you at 94 subscriptions. That's where our channel's currently at. We appreciate everything that you guys have done. I know some of you have shared it with friends and family to get us up there, and we've gotten up there in about 6 days.
Yeah.
So 6 days, we need 6 more.
Thank you to family, to friends, Melissa Heil at True Hit Fitness for blasting us out there. Aaron and Rachel at 4 Kids and a Farm. Thank you to you as well for pushing us out there. We need 6 more subscribers to hit our first goal of 100 subscriptions.
And once we hit 100 subscriptions, if you can do it by Sunday, Jen and I have committed we're going to do an Eat It or Wear It YouTube challenge. Means we're going to get a bunch of food, probably go through our pantry, probably our refrigerator, find stuff that's gooey, oozy, sticky, and nasty, and we are going to either eat it or we're going to put it on our head and we're going to wear it. Doesn't that sound fun? Not really. So if you want to see us do that, we need 6 more subscriptions. So a lot of you I know are going out there. We're going to do a whole little thing on how to subscribe to Facebook, because I know a lot of you are, YouTube. I know a lot of you are going out there and watching our videos, and that's awesome, and we appreciate it, and we see that, and we love it. A lot of you are clicking on the thumbs up, which is the like button. We love that too. But one of the most important things you can do to help us out is really to subscribe, and you just log in with your Google account and you subscribe to our channel, and then you'll never miss one of our videos, like our upcoming Eat It or Wear It challenge.
But the pleasure of pouring something over Michael's perfect unicorn hair.
I didn't know.
I mean, I can't even touch this without him freaking out.
I don't know that we said we were pouring it on each other.
Oh no, I'll pour it on your head.
Now we'll have to do this challenge inside. Okay, we're going to be inside the house when we do it to prevent bears. If we did it outside, the smell of all that food outside could attract bears. All right, 6 more. You can do it. We believe in you. We appreciate you. Thanks, guys.
Bye.
Bye.